Hi, my name is Lydia and I am a collaborator in therapy in Barcelona. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to keep connected with your partner and remember that they are the small things often that make a positive change in your life. This recipe for connection is called the magic 6 hours a week. Let's talk about it. The first thing is when you part, you go to work, for example, ensure that you kiss your partner and then you leave knowing what is going to happen in your partner's life during that day. This will take you maximum 2 minutes a day. You multiply by 5, that means 10 minutes per week. The next one is to show, when you go back from home, this is called reunions. Ensure you kiss your partner when you're back and then spend about 20 minutes a day talking about how the day went, your stresses, and remember that this is not about problem solving. This is about hearing, listening to each other and find support from each other. This will take about 20 minutes a day. You multiply by 5, it will be about 1 hour and 40 minutes. The next one is called appreciation, and that means that please show fondness and admiration and appreciation for your partner. And this can be in terms of being genuine, of course. I like when you do this, or I appreciate this about you. And this may take only 2 minutes per day, or 5 minutes per day, probably multiply by 7. That will make up 35 minutes. The next one is affection. It's very important that you show affection, physical affection to your partner in forms of kiss, hugs, good night kiss. And this may also take about 5 minutes a day, 7 times a week, 35 minutes. The next in this recipe is about dates. Dates are very important for you to connect, to ask open-ended questions, know more about your partner's goals, wishes, dreams, experiences, basically your partner's world. And this can take only 2 hours per week. And the last one is what we call the State of the Union. This is 1 hour a week in which we meet and we talk about the things that went well. We express more appreciation for those things together. And then we also talk about the problems and issues that have arisen on that week. But remember, when we talk calmly, we talk with no criticism, with no defensiveness. Try to take the other person's perspective in order to understand your partner's world and how he or she feels. And this will take 1 hour, as I mentioned, a week. So if you add up all together, this will make the magic 6 hours a week.